Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we will start third chapter, angle, angle and arc length. Okay, angle and arc length. Now this is circle. Let me mark the center and it is O. The distance between center to circumference is called radius. Okay, this is angle and angle is indicated by theta. Okay, now there is a formula between this length of arc. Suppose length of arc is marked by A, B, then let's see here. See, now A arc AB is indicated by S. Okay, S or L. This AB arc AB is subtended by this angle, and then arc ACB is called major arc, and this is subtended by 360 minus this angle. Okay, 2 pi minus this, so 360 or 2 pi minus this angle. Now there is a formula between these three letter, arc, angle and radius. Now length of arc S is equals to product of radius and theta should be in radian. Okay, should be in radian. If you are using theta in degree, there is another formula. I'll show you. S equal to theta divided by 360 degree into multiply 2 pi r. Okay, in this case theta in degree. Okay, if you are using above formula, theta in must be radian. If you are using down formula, theta in degree. Now there is a relation between radian and theta. I'll show you. Okay, pi radian equals to 180 degree. Okay, or 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. Similarly 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radian. Okay, 180 radian. Now there is a formula to convert radian into degree multiply by 180 divided by pi. Okay. Similarly, to convert degree into radian, multiply by pi upon 180. Okay, then why use pi equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, let me do one sum to show you how to convert radian into degree. Okay, example. Convert 8 upon 7 in degree, minute and second. Okay, now to convert radian into degree, multiply, look at here, to convert radian into degree, multiply by 180 upon pi. Now we'll use the same relation. Okay, then 8 upon 7 radian equal to 8 upon 7 multiply 180 divided by pi to convert it into degree. Now substitute the value of pi. 8 upon 7 multiply 180 degree divided by 92 upon 7. Now this 7 cancel. Now this is equals to 8 multiply 180 degree divided by 92. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 11s are 92. Now this is equal to 4 multiply 0 is 0, 4 is 32, 4 1s are 4, 7 20 upon 11 degree. Now get the mixed fraction of this one. Now mixed fraction of this one is 11 6 is 66, 60, 11 5 55, then 5 upon 11, their mixed fraction. Okay, now separate this mixed fraction into whole number plus this fraction. Okay, 65 degree plus 5 upon 11 degree. Now to convert degree into minute, 1 degree equal to 60 minute. That means to convert this degree into minute, multiply by 60. Now this is equals to 65 degree plus 5 upon 11 multiply 60. Now it is converted into minute. Okay, this is equals to 65 degree plus 300 upon 11 minute. Again get their mixed fraction. Now this is equals to 65 degree plus 11 to 22, 11 7 77, 3 open 11. Okay, minute. Now separate this mixed fraction as whole number plus fraction. Okay, 65 degree plus 27 minute plus 3 open 11 minute. Now to convert this minute into second, multiply by 60. That means 1 minute equivalent to 60 seconds. This is equals to 65 degree plus 37 minute plus 3 upon 11 multiply 60 second. Now this is 65 degree plus 37 minute plus 180 upon 11 second. Now get their decimal value. Let me divide here. 180 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 7. Now 70. 11 6 66. 4 decimal point 0 11 3 30. Okay, now this is equals to 65 degree plus 27 minute plus 16 second approx. Now write in the combined form or condensed form. Their condensed form is 65 degree 27 minute 16 second. Okay, now same way try to solve other question from your textbook, that is third chapter exercise 3. Okay, if you have any doubt please let me know. Thank you for watching.